Hi guys, Chris Cho here. Today we are at Peak Motors Commonwealth. So, ipepresent ko sa inyo ang 2025 All-New X-Force GLS 1.5 Gasoline CVT. For the safety rating naman, naka 5 stars tayo dun sa NCAP at yung New Car Assessment Program, and at the same time, nanalo din po ng IF Design Award this 2024 ang ating X-Force. For the unit, naka sound insulating windshield na rin tayo, and dito naman sa ating ilaw, naka all LED T-shaped headlamps, even yung rear light natin. For the design, it's the new generation dynamic shield concept. For the unit, may heat insulator na rin siya. Sa ating engine naman, naka 1.5 tayo na MyVec Mitsubishi Innovative Valve Timing Electronic Control System, which provides more fuel efficiency, less emission, and more power. Kaya naman kayang-kaya ng ating X-Force na makarating kahit saan man dito sa Philippines. For the maximum power, it's 105 horsepower at 6,000 RPM. Para naman sa kanyang maximum torque, it's 141 Newton-meter at 4,000 RPM. For our unit, naka 18 inches 2-tone alloy wheels na rin tayo. Para naman sa kanyang front suspension, siya ay naka MacPherson strut with cold spring and stabilizer bar. Dito naman sa rear is torsion beam. For our unit, naka-integrated na rin ang ating side turning lamps. Ang kagandahan rin naman kay X-Force, naka-keyless operation system tayo. So, for as long as na-detect niya ang susi within 70 centimeters, you can lock and unlock yung vehicle. For the X-Force GLS and GT, naka-power window na rin tayo, power lock, and may central lock na rin siya. For the steering wheel naman, 3-spoked, leather-wrapped with audio control and hands-free function. For GT variant, meron naman siyang adaptive cruise control. Dito naman, kung mapapansin ninyo, meron na rin tayong 8 inches na LCD meter cluster. For our X-Force, naka 12.3 inches tayo na smartphone link display audio. At kung mapapansin ninyo, meron na rin siyang aviation style na display. Dito naman sa ating Aircon Nano EX ang gamit natin. For the aircon control naman, tayo ay naka-dial type. For this unit, naka-push start button na rin tayo. For the drive mode, now it has wet, normal, and gravel with mud as well. And for our electronic park brake, meron na rin siyang brake auto hold. Isa pang maganda dito sa ating unit, yung ating speakers, naka-dynamic sound Yamaha Premium. Kaya naman, habang kayo ay nag-travel at mahilig ka sa music, talaga namang enjoy ninyo ang ride ninyo dito sa ating all-new X-Force. As additional safety, meron na rin pong child-proof lock ang ating vehicle. Both sides dito sa ating second row. May sariling additional aircon vent naman dito sa second row. Dito naman is meron na rin tayong Type-C and USB for charging. Para naman sa ating seat material, meron na rin tayong high-grade fabric for GLS, while leather seat naman for our GT variant. Ang maganda rin dito sa unit, meron na rin tayong armrest with cup holder. Ayan. Siyempre, equip na rin tayo ng seat belts, front passenger and driver, and tatlo naman dito sa ating second row seat. For our fuel tank capacity, it's 45 liters. Now, talking about the safety feature of the vehicle, meron na rin tayong active stability control with traction control. Meron na rin tayong active yaw control. Ang kagandahan naman po is if nagkaroon po tayo ng right or left brake forces, yung front axle is magge-generate siya ng turning moment para naman yung vehicle ay makapag-trace dun sa driver na intended na driving line ay ma-prevent ang oversteering and understeering. For this unit, equipped na siya ng shark fin antenna. Ang ating third brake light ay LED. Ito naman yung sa rear light natin na naka-LED na rin with T-shaped design. Kapag GT variant, meron na rin siyang powered tailgate with lift sensor. Dito naman sa loob, kung mapapansin niyo, we have a very spacious cabin. Kaya naman kung marami kayong ikakargang gamit, talaga namang fit na fit dito sa loob ng ating X-Force. For the all-new X-Force, talaga namang hindi ka magsisisi na ito ang inyong i-avail sapagkat meron na siyang advanced and sophisticated interior na hindi mo makikita sa ibang vehicles. May the X-Force be with you.